Oh hey, didn't see you there. I'm Charlie.
I'm Jared.
And we did CAD 3D printing.
We used Fusion 360 to design the pieces. We began with a sketch. We made a profile of the piece, and then we revolved it around the axis to make the piece.
As you can see here, we have our 2 rings. For this ring, we extruded a circle, but with the extrusion tool, you can only get flat edges unless you decide to fillet them, which is a very helpful tool. And here we have a circle that we revolved around an axis, and which is nice, but the limitations of the revolve tool is that you can only create completely symmetrical things.
So in order to print the pieces, we uploaded our files onto 3D Printer OS. So we oriented them in an upward direction so that there would be less scaffolding, and so it'll print the best. We added 4 different files into the same section so we could print them all at the same time. But when we inserted the files, the measurements were kind of off, so we had to scale it right here to the appropriate size so that they would be ranging from like 3 to 3.5 inches tall. So each individual piece had its own challenges. So for our knight, the knight is very different. You can't revolve it because it's not completely symmetrical. So for this, we made a profile, and then we extruded it into a solid object, and we made this. So this is our horsey. It came out like that, and
When we printed our pieces, we did it in 2 separate prints, and one of the problems was when we transported the file from Fusion 360 to 3D Printer OS, our scales got mixed up, and we did not successfully scale them to each other. So if we were to reprint, we would obviously shrink the pawn so it's not the same size as the queen.
yeah.
Checkmate.